The Company Statistics section displays the satisfaction at work completion rates across the whole organisation. Listed on the left are the teams and divisions that together form the organisational structure. The columns on the right of the table illustrate firstly the number of team members followed by the number of satisfaction at work completions, and lastly, these completions expressed as a percentage. Values in the completed column are colour-coded on an incremental scale between green and red, with green representing a high number of completions and red indicating a low number. To view results in rank order, click the Rank Order button. Click on your team name to reveal the names of all team members. From this list, you can identify who has and who has not completed their satisfaction at work indicator. Use this information to prompt division and team leaders who have low satisfaction at work completion rates within their teams. This view also illustrates dates of previous satisfaction at work completions.